Hello and welcome to today's hair tutorial. Today's hair tutorial is going to be a half updo with fishtail braids. Start off by brushing your hair. And then add any kind of frizz-free product. It really helps with keeping the braid nice and neat. You're then going to take some hair on the side of your head where your part is less. And you're going to do a lace fishtail braid. A lace fishtail braid means you're only adding in hair from one side of your head. So after doing a few normal strands of a normal fishtail braid, you're then going to start adding in hair from the side that's closest to your part. You're then going to angle this braid towards the back of your head. And I'm so sorry about the close label being shown in this video. I completely forgot to remove it. God knows how long I was wearing that top for before I realised. And you're just going to carry on braiding, just adding in hair to this top strand. You can then gently pull on one side of the braid to make it look a bit thicker if you want to. And when you have lace braided as far as you want to, you're then just going to do a normal fishtail braid. I found this VO5 texturizing spray in Superdrug, I think, and I find it really good for helping to pull apart the braid without it losing its shape. Just looking in the mirror, just check that I like how it's looking. And there you go. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, leave any comments, and I hope this video was helpful. See you next time.